Tata Capital IPO is here. Tata Capital is the flagship financial powerhouse of Tata Group. It is bringing a massive 15,500 crore IPO. But the real question is, what should we do as a retail investors? Should we invest in this IPO or not? Is it worth it investing in this IPO? Let's find it out in this video by breaking down its financials, key risk and valuation of this IPO. So before we begin, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel and join my exclusive investor communities. Link given in the descriptions and in the pinned comment. So what does this Tata Capital do? What is its business model? Tata Capital is flagship financial services arm of Tata Group. This gives us fundamental trust in this company. It is also India's third largest diversified NBFC firm. The company operates across financial verticals. Retail loans like personal loan, auto loan, home loans, etc. are given, and also it stretches its business to SME loans as well. It also operates in financial advisory and wealth management. They also have commercial lendings like SME funding and infra funding. They also have their business in leasing and housing subsidiary. In a nutshell, Tata Capital is one-stop lending and financial solution brand backed by strong Tata brand. So here is the IPO overview. The issue size is 15,512 crores. Out of this, 6,846 crores is fresh issues, which goes directly to the business. The rest of it, which is 8,666 crores, is OFS, offer for sale, which is going to the promoters and stakeholders who is selling their shares in this OFS issue. The price band is between 310 rupees and 326 rupees per share. The issue is expected to list on 13th October. The current GNPA is at 9 rupees, indicating a potential listing gain of 2.7%. This is the largest IPO this year, biggest since Hyundai Motors 27,000 crore IPO last year. So how does this work out to us? Is it valued? Is it overvalued? Let's figure out. So how was the investor demand to this IPO? Before opening to the public, Tata Capital has raised a whopping 4,642 crores from 135 anchors. Some of the heavyweight anchors include Morgan Stanley Investments, Goldman Sachs Investments, Nomura Capital, and also India's top 10 AMCs participated in this anchor placement. This gives a massive boost to all the retail investors and institutional investors. So let's go a little deeper in this IPO. Are we going to pay little premium in this IPO, or are we going to get at a very good valuation? At the upper band of 326 rupees, Tata Capital is being valued at 1.4 lakh crore rupees, which puts it among top 3 NBFCs in India. So here are the financial snapshots. What does the financials say? In financial year 2025, net profit grown by 28% to 4,500 crores. The net interest margin NIM was nearly at 6%, which is very good. The gross NPA is just 1.3%, which is lowest among the NBFC sector. The capital adequacy ratio is at 23%, which is very good. The ROE stands at 15%. All these factors shows that Tata Capital has a strong fundamentals with it. It shows that Tata Capital is profitable, well capitalized and very conservatively managed. But the risk of premium still exists because the growth of this company might have already priced in. So let's see what valuation says to us. So here are the valuation metrics. Post listing of this IPO, price to earning ratio stands at 33 and price to booking value stands at 4.2, which is slightly higher than peers. Average PB ratio of the peers are at 3 to 3.5 times only. PAT, profit after tax, has grown at 10% annually in the last 2 years. But the concern is about the valuation. The valuations are still at expensive side when we compare with the peers. So having discussed all these things, what are the key risks in this IPO? Concentrated loan book is one of the key risks. 88% of the loan book is shared between retail loans and the commercial loans. The company has slower diversification when compared with the peers. The company has a substantial amount of unsecured loans, which of course gives diversification, which also brings the very high levels of the credit risk to the company. Interest rate risk is another concern. Margins of this company may narrow if the interest rate starts going up. And final thing is valuation. As we said before, valuation is little higher than the peers, which is 4.2 times of the PB value when compared to the peers PB ratio of 3 to 3.5. Does this valuation really justify the future growth of this company? Let's understand in my final verdict. Here is my final verdict. Before I say my final verdict, here is an update. I have officially partnered with Motilal Oswal Financial Services. If you are planning to start your investment journey with the proper and structured investments, open your free account today using the link given in the description box below. By signing up with Motilal Oswal using the link below, you are going to join my exclusive Discord channels where you get real-time recommendations, strong research ideas and stock recommendations directly from one of the India's top research desk, which is Motilal Oswal Financial Services. I personally invite you to join my exclusive investor community with over 2,500 smart investors who are also benefiting with the real-time data and insights of the market. Links are given in the description and the pinned comments. Do follow the link and sign up and join my investors community today to get all the benefits to start your structured investment. Here is my final verdict now. Tata Capital is strong. third largest in India, and it also has a very strong brand tag of Tata. Tata Capital has a strong loan book of 2.3 lakh crore rupees. It is serving almost 7.3 million customers as of June 2025. It has almost 25 loan products ranging from thousands to 100 crore. Its business is spread across 1500 centers across India. So what do we do now? Given the fact that India is moving towards consumption economy, and with the recent GST reforms coupled with the tax relief, India is inching higher in consumption story. People are consuming more. They have more money left out in their hands to consume more products from the market. This particular consumption story will also drive the loan books of the NBFC sector. So Tata Capital will also benefit out of that. So what I feel is that given the price valuation of the Tata Capital and its strong fundamentals, the future growth is visible. As a long-term investor in this particular stock, I am going to subscribe to this IPO. If you are a short-term investor who is only looking for listing gains, you should be aware that the GNP is at only 9 rupees, which is 2.7% currently. And if you want to invest, I would suggest that you wait till the third day and look in what direction this IPO is going to. If the subscription figures of QIBs and NIIs are great and the GNP is soaring high, you can invest for a shorter period of time and also for a listing gain. Or you can expect a correction in this particular stock in future and enter at a better price if market offers you that opportunity. Let me know what are you going to do with this IPO in the comments. Join my investors community, open your Demat account today with Motilal Oswal and benefit from its stock recommendations directly from the Motilal Oswal research desk. If you found this video useful, like this video, subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I am coming up with LG Electronics IPO review and listing gain strategy for Tata Capital's next to it. Until then, take care. Thank you for watching.